Welcome back, mathematicians. In this video, we are going to do more work with solving oblique triangles. And a quick reminder, to solve an oblique triangle means to find the lengths of any unknown sides and the measurements of any unknown angles. We're still in case number 2, where we are given two sides and the angle opposite one of those sides. This is referred to the ambiguous case because the information may result in one triangle, two triangles, or no triangles at all. For any triangle that does result, we will be using the law of sines to solve the triangle, which states for a triangle with sides A, B, and C, and opposite angles A, B, and C respectively, sine of angle A over side A is equal to sine of angle B over side B, which is equal to sine of angle C over side C. We are going to look at this situation where the information given results in one triangle. You will be given angle A, side A, and side B. They may not be labeled the exact same, but you'll be given two sides and one corresponding angle to one of those sides. What we see here is that the side that corresponds to the angle is going to be greater than or equal to the second side. If that happens, then you have one triangle. The other situation is if side A is equal to h, which h is the altitude, making a right angle with the base, and we know based on our right angle trigonometry that h is equal to b times the sine of angle A. Let's now use this information to solve the triangle where we are given side A with a value of 4, side B with a value of 3, and angle A that is 60 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and draw myself a picture, and I'm going to choose to put the known angle at the bottom left-hand vertex, so that's angle A. The corresponding side A is going to be opposite angle A with a value of 4. I'm going to put B between angle A and side A with a value of 3. What we now want to do is compare side A and side B. Since side A is opposite or corresponding to angle A, the known angle that we were given, we need to see if that side is greater than or equal to side B. In this case, the answer is yes. Side A is greater than or equal to side B, so therefore the information given does satisfy a triangle, does result in one single triangle. Let's now use the law of sines to solve for the unknown information. What we don't know is angle B, angle C, and side C. We're going to start with angle B, and so using the law of sines, we see that sine of angle B over side B, which is 3, is equal to sine of angle A, which is 60 degrees, over side A, which is 4. We can then cross multiply to start the solving process for angle B, and what we get is 4 times the sine of angle B is equal to 3 times the sine of 60 degrees. We should now divide both sides by 4, so we'll get sine of angle B is equal to 3 times the sine of 60 degrees all over 4. The last step will be to take the inverse sine of both sides, so we'll get B is equal to exactly the inverse sine of 3 times the sine of 60 degrees all over 4. We should now use our calculator to find the approximate value for angle B. Keep in mind that your calculator needs to be in degree mode. When you plug this into your calculator and evaluate, you should get approximately 40.5 degrees. Now that we have angle B, we can find angle C. What we know is that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So angle C is equal to 180 degrees minus 40.5 degrees minus 60 degrees, giving us a difference of 79.5 degrees. So now we found angle C, we found angle B. The last piece of information we need to solve for is side C. We're again going to go back to the law of sines. So we'll have sine of 79.5 degrees over side C, which is equal to, and I'm going to choose angle A and side A because both of them are known and exact. So this will be sine of 60 degrees over the value of 4. Once again, we should cross multiply to solve this proportion for the side C. And so what we get is C times the sine of 60 degrees is equal to 4 times the sine of 79.5 degrees. Divide both sides by sine of 60 degrees, and we get an exact value of C equals 4 times the sine of 79.5 degrees divided by sine of 60 degrees. We should now put this into our calculator and evaluate, and what we end up getting is approximately 4.54 units. So we have successfully solved the triangle by finding the three unknown pieces of information, which is side C, angle C, and angle B. All right, guys, good luck.